How you doing, guys? I'm Spencer Scott. It's my spray bottle, my binder, my microphone. We're gonna walk around sneezing on people. Just chilling.
Spencer.
What was that?
My bad.
Yeah, I know.
Sick.
I didn't mean to.
What's up, man?
My bad, dude. My bad. I am so sorry.
That wasn't real, was it? That's disgusting.
I apologize. My bad. I am so sorry.
Happy birthday.
Oh, dude, my bad.
My bad, Sheriff. My bad, Sheriff.
My bad, dude. I did not mean to scream. I apologize. I did not mean to do that. My bad, dog. No. My bad, homie. My bad. My bad, guys. Sorry, guys. Bro, my bad. I didn't even see you there. Sorry, man.
Wash your hands, people. That's all I'm saying. Spencer.
So sorry.